Welcome to the computer-based training for Mineral Due Clearance Certificate Registration by Department of Steel and Mines. Let us start the Mineral Due Clearance Certificate registration in the following steps. To apply for MDCC registration, click on the MDCC registration link on the Department of Steel and Mines homepage. Under Online Registration, click on the Registration for MDCC link. If you are an existing lessee or licensee, you are required to log into the i3MS portal using your existing user ID and password. A new link has been added as MDCC on the left menu for you to apply. If you are a new user, please register here to Mineral Due Clearance Certificate. The user is redirected to the MDCC registration page. Enter the applicant name in the text box provided. Enter the applicant address in the given space. Enter the district in the text box provided. Select the state from the drop-down list. Enter the PIN code in the given text box. Enter PAN card number in the text box provided. Upload the PAN card copy by clicking on the Browse button and uploading the file in the JPG or PDF format. Enter applicant's mobile number in the given space. Enter email ID of the applicant in the text box provided. Select the security question from the drop-down list. Enter the answer in the text box provided. Confirm the answer by providing the same answer in the next text box provided. Enter the shown CAPTCHA text in the given text box. Click on the Register button to register for Mineral Due Clearance Certificate. Otherwise, click on the Reset button to reset the data. Let us click on Register. A notification appears for successful registration in i3MS and an acknowledgement number is provided. The user ID and password would be sent through the provided email ID and SMSed to the mobile number. Please note down the acknowledgement number for further reference. The next step is to log in to the i3MS portal by using your user ID and password sent to you through email and SMS. Click here to log in. The user is redirected to the MDCC login screen for logging in for MDCC. If you are a first-time user, click here to get login information. Enter the acknowledgement number in the given space to get login information. Click on the Show button. The earlier security question chosen is asked. Enter the answer to the security question in the given space. Click on the Get Login Info button to get the information to log in for MDCC. The username and the password is provided for login. Click here to log in. For MDCC login, enter the user ID in the given text box. Enter the password in the given text box. Click on the Submit button. The user is redirected to a successfully logged in page. The user is required to change his password and update information for better communication. With the provided user ID, enter the new password in the given space. Enter confirmed new password in the given space. Enter name of the in charge who would be in charge of this IT intervention. Enter his designation in the given space. Enter the email ID in the text box provided. Enter alternate email ID in the next text box provided. Enter mobile number of the in charge in the given text box. Enter alternate mobile number in the next given text box. Enter stationed at in the given space. If the user wishes a copy of communication to be marked to any additional person, then provide the following information. Fill in the details for the additional person in the text boxes provided. If the information is same as the above communication details, click on the Same as Communication Details checkbox. Click on the Submit button to submit the details. Otherwise, click on Reset button to reset the data. Let us click on the Submit button to update the MDCC registration information. The user is redirected to the Welcome page of Odisha Mines portal. Under Related Activities, click on the MDCC link to expand. On doing so, two primary links are expanded: Update Profile and Apply MDCC. Click on the Update Profile link to update the profile details. Please note that the name and PAN card details cannot be changed. Make changes as required in the given fields and click on the Update button to update the details. The data is updated successfully. After updation, click on the Apply MDCC primary link. MDCC application screen can be viewed. Under Apply Personal Information screen, select the purpose of MDCC from the drop-down list. Select the MDCC from the drop-down list. Enter the address in the space provided. Enter the name of the applicant, firm, company in the text box provided. Enter the email ID and mobile number in the respective text boxes provided. Select Mineral for Deal by selecting it from the right-hand side column. To proceed for further step, click on the Next button. Click on the Reset button to reset the data. Let us click on Next. The user is redirected to the Apply Other Information screen. The application details are saved and an application number is provided. If the company has ever been convicted in any court of law or any case pending in police station or any case pending with the government, then select Yes. Provide the details in the next text box provided. If there has been no case of such, then select No. Upload the affidavit of the director by clicking the Browse button and uploading the file. The star indicates it to be a mandatory field. Enter the PAN card number of company in the text box provided. Files for other details can also be uploaded, such as PAN card, VAT clearance certificate, IT return of company, Board of resolution of the director, power of attorney of the director, and plot details. Upload project report details if any. Multiple files in JPG or PDF format can be uploaded. After uploading, these can also be deleted by clicking on the delete button with respect to the report. Similarly, upload OSPCB clearance certificate, upload article of memorandum, upload DIC registration certificate, and document as proof of applicant status. Provide the directed details in the given text boxes, such as name, mobile number, address, email ID, and PAN card number. Upload details for PAN card and voter ID by browsing. Click on the back button to go back to the previous Apply Personal Information screen. Click on the Save and Forward button to directly forward it to the next higher authority, that is, Director of Mines for further approval process. Click on the Save as Draft button to save the application as draft. Let us now click on the Save as Draft button. A notification appears showing your application number and saying that the data has been saved in draft mode. The application is now saved in draft. The serial-wise application details can be viewed, like application number, applicant name, mineral names, applied on date. Click on the View Details link to view the complete application details. To delete an application detail, select the respective application serial number and click on the Delete button. To confirm the application and forward it for approval, click on the Confirm button. Click on the Edit button to edit the application details. The user is redirected to the Edit screen. Make changes in the respective fields and click on the Next button. Otherwise, click on the Cancel to cancel the updation. Let us click on Next. The user is redirected to Apply Other Information screen. After making changes, click on the Save and Forward button to forward the application for further approval process. A notification appears showing the application number. A mail and message has been sent to the applicant. Now the user is redirected to View Status screen. The user can view the application details and the progress of his application while it goes through various higher authorities for MDCC registration. After application for MDCC, the user can view the status as Approval in Progress and Action to be taken by as Director of Mines. After reviewing the application, if the Director of Mines approves it, the applicant under View Status can view the status of the same as Approval in Progress, Action to be taken by detail as Section Officer for Physical Verification, and Remarks of the Director of Mines. After physical verification by Section Officer, the applicant can view the status as Approval in Progress and Action to be taken by as Section Officer Final Approval and Remarks after Initial Verification. If the application is finally approved, the applicant can view the status as Approval in Progress, Action to be taken by as Account Officer and Remarks by Section Officer after final verification. After the application is approved by Account Officer, the status will be shown as Approval in Progress, Action to be taken by as Deputy Director of Mines, and Remarks by Account Officer. Application when approved by Deputy Director of Mines is then again forwarded to Director of Mines, who issues the MDCC. After approval of the application from Deputy Director of Mines, the status will be shown as approval in progress, action to be taken by as Director of Mines final approval, and remarks by Deputy Director of Mines. The Director of Mines finally approves the application. The status can now be viewed as approved. Action to be taken will be shown as approved by Director of Mines, with remarks by Director of Mines after final verification. Click on the Print MDCC link to view and take a printout of the Director of Mines MDCC certificate.